Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for pancakes. Now there's so many recipes out there for pancakes, but this is one of my favorites. So let's go over the ingredients and let's get going, guys. Alright you guys, so for this recipe you're going to need flour, butter, buttermilk, milk, vanilla, egg. You're going to need cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. Okay guys, we are going to start out with our wet ingredients. We're just going to add our egg into a bowl. Just give that a little mix. Now we're going to add our sugar. Buttermilk. Milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Just give this a mix. Make sure all that sugar is dissolved. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We're just going to add our baking powder, cornstarch, salt, and baking soda to a bowl with the flour. And give this a good mix around the pan. Make sure it's evenly mixed. Now we're just going to add in our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Now that that's all mixed, we are ready to cook. Okay guys, I've got my pan over low heat. I'm just going to add just a little bit of butter to the pan just to coat the bottom. Now I'm going to use an ice cream scoop just so they're all the same size, but you can do this however you want. Now you're just going to let these cook until the bubbles come up and the bubbles set. You should be able to see around the edges of the pan that they're set and ready to flip. Now when you see the bubbles pop and they don't fall back in on themselves, they are ready to flip. Now I'm just going to finish the rest of these and I'll meet you right back here. Okay you guys, here is the pancakes. Let's give these a try. Little blueberry. They're so soft and fluffy, and they taste just like a vanilla cake. So good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the little red subscribe button down below. It's completely free. And join us here at the Southern Rustic. I upload 2 videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.